I need some tea. This is chamomile. Yes, I am drinking chamomile at like 2:30 in the afternoon. And the reason why is because I'm so sleepy. So after I'm done filming this video, I'm taking me a nap. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So today we are going to be talking about my office space. Yes, I'm going to be sharing with you my office space. I've been doing a little bit of work and it's not all color coordinated because I'm still working on that. Still trying to figure out the furniture situation. But you know what? I've watched some videos of some YouTubers organizing their offices in small spaces or small offices. Just their whole decoration looks so amazing. I'm not there yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and share with you where I do all of my sales. I'm gonna show you where I keep my inventory, my shipping supplies, and where I do all of my packing and stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna take you to a small little tour because why not? Let's get started. Okay, so here we are. There is definitely not much. It's very simple, but here we have my desk. This is where I do all of my shipping on top of this desk because it is pretty big. Now you see this beautiful salt lamp that I got from one of my friends. It's definitely beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's like the highlight of this office because at night it literally glows so beautifully. And I'm just grateful for my friend because I'm sure if you had not had a chance to watch my video of a company that I bought a salt lamp and they sent me this teeny tiny, but anyways, that is definitely besides the point. I have a friend that sold it to me for a lot cheaper and I'm very, very happy for it. But anyways, this is definitely my small office space. Now over here, that's where I keep my printer and some of the books that I sell and just other personal stuff. The window right there, love it. I was thinking about putting our desk, I say our because my husband also works in here from time to time, our desk right by the window, but you know what? I just decided not to. And this is where I keep some of my health and beauty supplies. Definitely just very simple, very small. And this is the closet that contains the clothes that I'm still trying to get rid of. And then recently my husband just got rid of so many sportswear. So I was like, you know what? I hate listing clothes, but let me take some of these. So obviously I have a lot of my USPS items. I have these peanuts just in case I sell, you know, like fragile items. And over here, whoops, making a mess already. Let's put this baby over here. But here I have some more of my own personal supplies along with some tape and stuff. And then over here, some more boxes. That's where I keep my tapes and all, and more clothes. So a very simple office. As you can see, I don't have a lot of inventory when it comes to clothing. That's all I have. This is just optional. I don't know if you had a chance to watch this, but this is my reseller inventory log. I don't keep all my inventory logged into this, but only when I buy liquidation, whenever I source online, I want to know if the item was from box 1 or 2. And so this is how I keep inventory so that I know what my cost of good was. So something good to have. Don't you just love that lamp? Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. I am so thankful. Got it from a friend and it was the best thing. I have no idea where she buys it. So if you're wondering, she's someone who just is obsessed with salt lamps. Had I known that before, I would have never bought my salt lamp at Himalayan Trading Company, because they'll do you wrong. But anyways, I love it. Now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs to show you guys the rest of my inventory. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of inventory. Like, I've seen some videos of sellers who have so much inventory and it's so nice, but me, I'm just a small fish. I always say that. I literally have under 200 listings on my eBay store, and I really want to get more inventory going. So, but anyways, we are in, I'm going to show you guys our unfinished basement. We moved into this house maybe October of 2020. I started my eBay journey on November of 2020, so a month after we moved here. All right, guys, so these are boxes that I keep. Obviously, you can see Amazon. I literally keep, I don't necessarily keep these huge boxes. These are my husband's, but I'm mainly concerned with the small ones. I mainly like to keep the small boxes for, you know, small stuff, or just if I have any like glassware or homeware stuff, then I'll go ahead and use some of these boxes, because I have found the perfect box for just about anything. So yeah, I keep boxes. So make sure you don't throw away boxes, shipping boxes that you get from Amazon or just any other place. So let me go show you guys where I keep my other small inventory. Right, so we are giving, there it is, guys. There it is. And that's it. Literally keep all of the shoes that I sell on eBay and Poshmark right here. And I decided not to take these out. These are more inventory that I got, and so these are just shoes as well. Literally, I just kept them in their box because that just saves me some space. My husband got me this plasticky shelf, and it's just working for my small space. There you have it, guys. Really, see, there's really not much to me. I wish that I have more inventory, but really that is just it. Shoes, a little bit of clothes, some health and beauty items. I know what you're thinking. You're like, Yasmin, well, that explains why you don't make a lot of sales. I get it. That is really why I only make between $200 and $300 a month selling on eBay or Poshmark combined, because I don't have a lot of inventory. I really do not keep a lot of inventory. Like I said, probably the more that I've had was like 175. That's it. But I'm gonna start getting a little bit better. I'm really gonna try to work on increasing my inventory. I do have some online source. I did source online recently, and so I'm gonna be sharing with you an unboxing that I got from one of my favorite inventory companies. So I'll be sharing that with you guys once I get it. I'm gonna be going out of town, so that's why I just wanted to make a quick little video. You see my workout over there? That's where I need to be. I need to be working out. But yes, so that's it, guys. I really don't have a lot, as you can see. I think on eBay I probably have around 150 right now, and I think on Poshmark I probably have about 70 or 80 items. I don't know, but yeah, this is my small little place where I keep all of my stuff and keeps me organized. So just wanted to share with that, bring you guys into my home. So make sure, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can just learn from a stay-at-home mom what it is like to run your own business from home.